Chicken and noodles, a classic American recipe. So separate 4 pieces of chicken, and you want to season your chicken. So go ahead and add some salt. Also add black pepper. Add paprika. And just make sure to spread all of these seasonings really, really well. Now turn the chicken pieces over and repeat the process on this side. Add some salt, black pepper, paprika, and just spread all of those seasonings out again. It's really important that the seasoning gets all over your meat. You want it covered all over the chicken. Now place the chicken pieces in a pan with olive oil. Just like that. You're going to love the taste of this recipe. Now turn on the heat to medium and go ahead and fry your chicken. Make sure to turn the pieces over and be careful not to burn yourself with the hot oil. It already smells so good. Now just let it fry again on the other side. And when it's finished, just remove the chicken from the pan. Now we're going to cut the chicken into medium-sized pieces on a cutting board. And in a pan, we're going to add olive oil and then add 1 onion. Also add 2 chopped garlic. And then just saute these ingredients really, really well. The flavor of this recipe is so sensational. Now, after finishing, we're going to add 250 grams of uncooked pasta, 300 milliliters of milk, and then 100 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 spoonful of paprika, and just stir really well to cook your pasta. Now, the taste of this recipe is going to surprise you. It is so good. So after cooking the pasta, this will be the ideal texture. This sauce is so delicious. Now we're just going to add our chicken pieces. And add 1 chopped tomato. Delicious. And you can also add some parsley if you have some, just to color the recipe a little bit. Now stir again. And I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe for your family. It is simple and it is so good. And you can see how colorful it turns out too. It is so beautiful. So just turn off the heat and serve it on a plate. Our recipe is now ready. I'm telling you, if you like pasta, this recipe will surprise you. Please enjoy it.